What? Why
We're here
we
for the money.
like Toby said?
Yeah, like to be said.
You're not feeling cold? Damn it. God damn it. Oh. This wind is giving hard time now. This is mission impossible, but we are making possible because we are tough boys, tough Abseilers. It's a tough game, bruh, because we are tough. You know what I mean? Gang type shit. Let's get ready. What's up, gang? Welcome to my town. Oh, so today we are still in that building, the overhang building. Today is the last day, and me and my friend Joe, we two are abseiling here, and yeah, the work here is muffin plate. The weather is fucking amazing. It's sunny here, but it's a little bit windy too. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, that's pretty much. And we're feeling cold. The weather, the temperature is like 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. Woo, it's cold in Wellington, New Zealand. Let's fucking set up a rope. Boom. So before setting up the ceilings, wrapping up the ceilings, we just tied like this. We just tied like this, and then so that the rope will not slip, and then we can easily wrap up the ceilings, and then we can make a knots and clip it up in the carabiners. So yeah, we just make this kind of knot. I don't know what's knot, but it's just a normal knot to secure the rope from slipping down. So yeah, now time to wrap a ceiling and set up a rope. Wrap up the ceiling, clip up the carabiner. One ceiling set up, next one. Time to make a knot now. That's a figure 8. Figure 8. Mostly used knot in rope axis. Figure 8. Which we use in day-to-day basis. Ooh. You're not feeling cold? Rope is set up. Oh shit! That's my rope. That's what I set up. Damn. The She set up. Lobby set up. Now time to jump. Time to fucking jump. Time to do a work, man. Let's fucking move. Ready to go. Oh shit. There's a big guy. Here we go, big guy.
Yeah.
Very good. See you guys. My turn.
You're here for the money.
What? Why
You're
were
here for the money.
like Toby said?
Yeah, like to be safe.
God damn it, I forgot to press. Press the record button. Okay, now is that on? Now is that on to record? I thought I pressed the record button, but I forgot to press the record button. Okay. Anyways, it happens sometimes. So fuck it. Is giving me a hard time. God damn. The weather is super clear. Sun is shining. I don't know from where the wind is coming. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. Fucking theory. And the rubber motherfucker. What's wrong with this rubber, man? What's wrong with this rubber? Finally, we are down, 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 down. You boy. That's us. That's us. Shit. Please. So we are doing Mission Impossible. Mission Impossible, we are making possible. So this is Mission Impossible. So this is Mission Impossible, but we are making possible because we are tough boys. Tough Abseilers. Fucking on, bro. We made it. We made it. We made it. Thanks, son. We fucking